In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best basketball shoes. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best basketball shoes. Number 5. New Balance 2 WXYV5. The New Balance 2 WXYV5 is one of the most underrated basketball shoes available right now. It delivers an excellent combination of traction, comfort, support, and durability, making it a fantastic choice for players of all positions. The cushioning feels responsive while still giving players solid court feel during quick movements and sharp cuts. One of the standout features is the shoe's stability, which helps players stay balanced during explosive plays and defensive stops. Many reviewers also praised the traction performance on both clean and dusty courts. If you want reliable all-around performance with premium comfort, the 2WXYV5 is definitely worth considering. Number 4. Adidas Harden Volume 9. The Adidas Harden Volume 9 continues the success of James Harden's signature line with elite comfort, excellent traction, and smooth responsiveness on the court. This basketball shoe is designed for players who love creating space, making fast directional changes, and attacking defenders aggressively. The cushioning setup provides a soft yet responsive feel, helping reduce impact during long games. The supportive upper keeps your feet locked in securely without feeling restrictive. Reviewers and basketball players also praised the futuristic design and strong grip performance on indoor courts. If you want a stylish basketball shoe that combines comfort, support, and explosive performance, the Harden Volume 9 is an outstanding option. Number 3. Puma All-Pro Nitro Elite 2. The Puma All-Pro Nitro Elite 2 has quickly become one of the top-performing basketball shoes thanks to its lightweight construction and explosive energy return. This shoe is perfect for fast players who rely on speed, agility, and quick movements throughout the game. The Nitro foam cushioning delivers an energetic and bouncy feel that keeps players comfortable during intense gameplay. Another major highlight is the excellent traction, which performs well even on slightly dusty courts. The lockdown and fit also feel secure without sacrificing flexibility. Puma continues improving its basketball lineup every year, and the All-Pro Nitro Elite 2 proves it can compete with the biggest brands in basketball footwear. Number 2. Under Armour Curry 12. The Under Armour Curry 12 is built for players who value speed, quick cuts, and elite traction on the basketball court. Inspired by Stephen Curry's fast-paced playing style, this shoe feels lightweight, responsive, and incredibly smooth during movement. The traction pattern provides outstanding grip, allowing players to stop and change direction confidently during games. The cushioning setup also delivers a comfortable ride while maintaining excellent court feel for guards and quick players. Many basketball reviewers praised the Curry 12 for its flexibility and natural movement. If you're looking for a basketball shoe that combines lightweight speed, comfort, and elite performance, the Under Armour Curry 12 is easily one of the best choices available today. Number 1. Nike LeBron 23. The Nike LeBron 23 takes the number 1 spot as the best basketball shoe because it delivers elite performance in almost every category. This shoe combines premium cushioning, explosive responsiveness, strong traction, and excellent support into one complete package. Designed for powerful and versatile players, the LeBron 23 feels stable during aggressive movements while still remaining comfortable throughout long games. The advanced cushioning system absorbs impact beautifully and provides amazing energy return during jumps and fast transitions. Reviewers also praised the shoe's secure lockdown and premium build quality. If you want the ultimate basketball shoe for performance, comfort, durability, and support, the Nike LeBron 23 is the best overall pick this year. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best basketball shoes. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect pair to match your playing style, whether you're focused on speed, comfort, support, or overall performance. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.